Hello, if you need some help on your Delta Math that is due this Friday, please watch this video. I'm going to go over a few of the last two sections for inside and outside angles, level 1 and level 2. Okay, starting with level 1, let me take a screenshot. Okay, let's go here. All right. Here we go. Okay, so remember we are working with special angles with circles. We've done central, we've done inscribed, and now we're moving on to outside and inside. So for this problem, we can tell that our angle is not inside the circle. Our angle is outside, okay, here, which is the one they're asking for. They want me to find the measure of angle Y. And for these problems, we have these angles and they create two types of arcs. They create a big arc here, a big arc, and they create a little arc. Okay, and those are the colors I remember using. And so they said that my little arc is 54 and my big arc is 160. So if you have some paper or need to borrow some paper, go ahead and grab some, so that you can draw your pictures and label and highlight as much as you can to help you with these problems, okay? If something is missing, what do we put there? If I don't know the measure of the angle, what do I put? You put X, okay? All right, and then you find your formula. So for this one, it's outside of the circle. So my formula for that is here. 2 times your angle equals the big arc minus the little arc. Okay, so I'm going to bring that over. Put it here. Okay, you see how now I can follow along with the formula. So 2, I'm going to use the colors just to help you, okay? Times your angle. What's your angle? I don't know what it is, so it's X right here. Okay, equals the big arc, which is 160, minus your little arc, which is 54. Okay, so I'm just using color for the first part so you can see how I plugged everything in. Okay, but I wasn't able to do that unless I highlighted and knew each part individually. Okay. All right, so now we just do some math. 2 times X is 2X. 160 minus 54. Grab a calculator. 106. Okay, cancel multiplication by dividing. 106 divided by 2 is 53. So I know that my angle that I was looking for is 53 degrees. Okay, all right, let's go type that. 53. Good. All right, so that's level 1. Here's a level 1 for an inside angle. Okay. So let's do this one. Okay. All right, now remember, you might have different numbers, but hopefully this at least helps you how to get started. All right, so if it's an inside angle, that means my vertex is inside, but not directly at the center. It's just inside somewhere, okay? So for that formula, we have 2 times your angle equals your big arc plus your little arc, okay? So copy your formula down. Make sure it's the right formula. That's the most important part, is make sure that the formula is right in the beginning, okay? So what angle are they talking about in this problem? They're talking about angle VKD. VKD. So V is here, K is here, D is here. So it's this angle. Okay. All right, then I measure my big arc. And you can tell by these numbers, 100 is bigger than 68. So VD is your big arc. Sorry, I'm going to use a highlighter. There's your big arc. And your little arc is SU, which is here. Okay, I'm going to label it. This was 100. And the little arc is 68. Okay, the one that's missing is the angle. So your angle is missing, so that's X. And let's go to our equation now. So 2 times your angle, the angle's missing, equals the big arc. How much is the big arc? 100 plus your little arc. How much is your little arc? 68. Okay, 100 plus 68 is 168. And bring down the 2x divided by 2. 168 divided by 2, 84. So my angle is 84 degrees. Okay. All right. All right, there's some level 1 questions. Let's do level 2 so we can turn this in. All right, level 2. This is an inside angle that they're giving us here. Okay, how do I know it's an inside angle? The vertex is where? Inside. Okay. And you might start doing these faster. Okay. All right, my angle, I always do my angle first. Angle is KAI. KAI. So here's my angle. And actually, they gave me my angle this time. It's 139. 139 degrees. Okay. And then we have arc KI and arc GL. GL is clearly much bigger than KI. So GL is all this. That didn't work. Sorry. GL. Please excuse the horrible highlighting. And KI is here. That's the small arc. So I know what KI is. It's 63. But I don't know what the big arc is. So if I don't know what it is, what letter do we use? What variable? X. Okay. All right. So it's inside. So my formula is 2 times your angle. How much is your angle? 139. Equals your big arc, which is X, plus your little arc, which is 63. Okay? All right, let's do some math. 2 times 139. 278. Okay, and then we have X plus 63. You can't add those because it's a letter and a number. Can't add variables and numbers. But I need to cancel the addition. How do you cancel addition? Subtraction. What you do to one side, you do to the other side of the equal sign. Okay, 278 minus 63 is 215. So my big arc is 215 degrees. Okay, 215.